We're going to be cutting a new side cut standard security key using the Condor mini key cutter. We're going to be choosing our cutting selection by entering the SKU number of the key. In order to do that, we'll choose cut by bitting. The SKU for this key is ULK007. Alright, here it's telling us to use the M1 jaw, and this yellow arrow is telling us which line to line up the tip of our key with. So it's telling us the second to top line. So let's go ahead, and I like to take the jaw off of the machine because it's easier to line up the key and get it set correctly. So it's telling us put it up to the second to top line. I'm going to go ahead and slide the key in up there. 1 second, I'm going to tighten this key down real quick. Alright, now I've got it tightened down and the tip of the key is within that second line. Now when using the M1 jaw, after you tighten it from the side, you want to tighten this set screw down. You don't have to tighten it very much, you just want it to go all the way down and touch the key. That will stop the wiggling up and down while it's cutting. Let's go ahead and slide this original key over, flip the locking latch to lock it in place, and then we're going to use the key decode button to read the cuts off the original key. And for the wear, I always like to leave it at zeros unless the key is extremely bad. Hit confirm. Alright, it's done decoding. I like to compare the cuts off the original to the pattern on the screen. And that pattern does appear to match up to me. So I'm going to go ahead and take this jaw back off. And then I'm going to line up my new key in the same position that I just had the other key. Tighten it down real quick. Alright, I got it in the jaw. Just make sure that's tight. Go ahead and slide the jaw back all the way to the left. Flip the locking tab to hold it down. Let's go ahead and close our lid. And then we're going to hit the cut button in the bottom right corner here. Alright, wipe some of the metal shavings off real quick. Alright, it looks pretty good so far. It usually does a pretty good job of not leaving many burrs, but you still want to run over it with a wire brush or a wheel brush. I'm just going to turn on this wheel real quick. That'll get rid of any extra burrs that could potentially get in the ignition. It's kind of hard to focus in on both of these keys at the same time, but as you can see, the cut pattern does match there, and that key's ready to go.